I want to thank all of the parents for exploring this educational opportunity for your child. We aspire to be a leader in advancing, teaching, and promoting Indigenous arts. We are the only boarding school on the West Coast, and we were recently ranked the #1 private arts high school 2 years in a row by Niche. Our students major in music, theater, creative writing, dance, visual arts, film and digital media, fashion design, and inner arts. At Idyllwild Arts, we believe that art is the greatest teacher of humanity. Our multicultural international community consists of 250 students from 30 countries and 22 states. We are looking for students who are passionate about the arts, students who enjoy and love nature, and students who want to make a difference in the world.
I want to personally welcome you because you're taking a very big step. Today, as you explore, it's not about the differences in schools. This is about the difference in your child, and we hope that there is a match between this beautiful nature and a match for your child.
The faculty are really the stars of the show. Parents, I'm telling you from what I have seen, your children will be known, they will be loved, they will be challenged and supported here. You're gonna love this place. You are gonna find your niche. Remember who you are and what you stand for. You are going to go further into those two big ideas by being in a community that embraces you for who you are and surrounds you with some of the most inspiring people you will ever meet. Welcome everyone. We're so glad you're here.